At NASA Goddard, we build space telescopes.
To explore the evolution of galaxies, stars, and planets that make up our universe.
We develop autonomous spacecraft navigation using millisecond pulsars as celestial beacons.
To further deep space exploration into our solar system and beyond.
We discover planets around other stars and investigate whether they could support life and what that life might look like.
At NASA Goddard, we investigate the possibility of past or present life on Mars.
We imagine, then engineer far-out missions to answer questions about how galaxies and planets formed and evolved over time.
We build instruments that visit every planet in the solar system
and recreate planetary environments here on Earth.
At NASA Goddard, we study the sun's dynamic behavior and the space weather that it generates so we can protect astronauts and satellites in space as well as our technology on the ground.
We use the Earth's magnetic field as a laboratory to understand the process that drives giant explosions across the whole universe.
At NASA Goddard, we use the data from a constellation of satellites to generate global maps of rain and snow pummeling the Earth.
To monitor how greenhouse gases move through the atmosphere.
And to model all of the Earth systems to create a dynamic portrait of our planet.
We survey Earth's forests, ice sheets, and oceans from air, ground, sea, and space.
And collect data to examine changes in the environment to inform and improve the lives of every human being.
We develop high-powered lasers to map our own planet and other bodies deep into the solar system.
At NASA Goddard, we launch balloons with an 8,000-pound suspended mass soaring into the atmosphere
for weeks at a time to study black holes and gamma ray bursts.
We launch small rockets carrying university-developed experiments into space.
And provide low-cost space platforms for testing new instrument concepts and engineering techniques.
At NASA Goddard, we develop and maintain communication links between Earth and spacecrafts in orbit.
We evaluate and improve system software to reduce risk in our missions, large and small.
We take the search out of search and rescue by developing technologies for global distress systems.
At NASA Goddard, we ensure every craft is space ready.
We blast noise and shake instruments to simulate stresses at launch.
We expose them to the unforgiving vacuum of space and to the powerful magnetic fields.
At NASA Goddard, we innovate robotic technologies to extend satellite lifespans.
We mentor thousands of students each year who will become the next scientists and engineers.
Innovation and science never sleep.
And new discoveries never get old.
At NASA Goddard.